When we are in trouble and the darkness in our hearts seems to be unable to dispel, we often ignore our inner strength. Light and wisdom do not come from the outside world, but from the depths of our hearts. When you learn how to activate this power, you will be surprised by the potential of self-healing and find yourself stronger than you think. This power can not only help you get out of the abyss of pain, but also help you find light in the dark and become a stronger and more compassionate self. Our hearts are like a lamp, which can illuminate the path of ourselves and others at any time. Everyone has hidden wisdom and compassion, which can help us face the challenges in life. Whether we experience the trauma of the heart or the face of unpredictable adversity, we all have the ability to heal ourselves. This ability can not only bring inner peace, but also give us the courage to go to the light in difficulties. Under the guidance of Buddhist wisdom, we learn to see the light in our hearts. No matter how dark the outside world is, we have the ability to light up our hearts, which can lead us to hope. Through meditation and self-reflection, we can deeply understand our inner strength and find the light in the depths of the heart. This light does not come from outside, but from our inner compassion and wisdom. When we learn to use this power, we can find hope in adversity, transcend pain and difficulties, and move towards a brighter future. Buddhist teachings emphasize the importance of compassion. When we face difficulties, we can treat people with compassion, but we can help ourselves get out of the darkness. Compassion is not only a kind of care for others, but also a power of self-healing. When we face the world with compassion, we will find that the darkness in our hearts will gradually dissipate and be replaced by a deep calm and light. This kind of inner light allows us to find the direction of life again and keep moving forward in difficulties. The power of self-healing comes from the awakening and understanding of your own heart. Each of us has infinite potential, which can cure our inner pain and let us find new strength in our difficulties. When we learn to connect with our inner wisdom, we can go beyond the pain on the surface, go deep into the heart, and find real peace and joy. When we feel trapped in the darkness, the real power comes from the light in our hearts. We can choose not to be bound by the trauma of the past, but to face it bravely and learn and grow from it. Through inner reflection and practice, we can gradually turn darkness into strength and pain into the driving force of growth. The power of this transformation comes from confidence in self-healing and hope for the future. No matter how difficult the past is, we can get out of the darkness and welcome a brighter future. No matter what kind of pain and dilemma you have experienced, the power of self-healing is always waiting to be awakened in your heart. Through the guidance of Buddhist wisdom, we can learn how to get out of the darkness, find light and power, and regain control of our lives. Find inner peace and joy, and face all future challenges with compassion.